How to create Google Wallet loyalty card. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Google Wallet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, if you are tired of carrying stored loyalty cards, in order to create a custom digital cards in Google Wallet, first of all, in this home screen, here you can see the Add to Wallet option. Tap on it. In this menu, you can see this loyalty card option over here. Tap on it. You can customize your loyalty card. You need to enter the name of your loyalty card providing businesses. So tap on this field. Now search for the businesses that you want to have the loyalty card of. For example, Costco. From the results, choose the business that you are looking for. It will open up the camera app from your phone. From here, you can scan the barcode type. If you have the physical cards, you can scan them too. Or if you want to enter the card number manually, you can choose this enter manually option. From here, you need to provide the member ID of yours. After you enter your member ID, you can tap on this add to wallet option and the loyalty card will be added to your profile. So there you go. That's how you can easily create Google Wallet loyalty card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.